Common Vaillant boiler error fault codes. Hello, and thank you for joining us at Warmzilla. I'm Reese Powell, qualified gas-safe engineer and director of operations for Warmzilla. Today I want to talk about the most common fault codes, or error codes, that show up on Vaillant boilers. If your boiler encounters an error, it will lock out to protect itself and display an error code to give you information on what the problem could be. We have created a list of the most common error codes for all models of Vaillant boilers. This Vaillant error code list is meant as a guide to help you understand what the issue is and assess how much it would cost to fix. You should never attempt to fix an issue inside your boiler if you aren't a gas-safe registered engineer, as this can be dangerous and will void your boiler warranty. It is also illegal to remove the boiler casing if you are not a gas-safe engineer.
We understand how stressful it can be when your boiler isn't working as it should. That's why our expert team at Warmzilla is here to help. With our quick and reliable boiler repair service, we'll have your boiler back to its best in no time. Don't wait for things to get worse. Click the link below to book your repair today and let us take care of it before it becomes a bigger problem.
Common Vaillant boiler fault codes. Here, you'll find a handy list of the most common fault codes for Vaillant boilers. Each code points to a specific issue, helping you understand what might be causing the problem. While some issues can be resolved quickly, others may require expert attention, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. F00 means there's a fault in flow sensor or temperature sensor, so you'll need to check sensor connections and replace if faulty. Short circuit or defect in the flow sensor. F01 means the return sensor has short-circuited or is defect, so you will need to inspect the wiring and replace sensor if necessary. Error code F10 means there's a short circuit or defect in the flow sensor, so check the sensor wiring and replace if needed. Fault code F20 shows that overheating is detected and safety shutdown is activated. You'll need to allow the boiler to cool, check water circulation, and inspect the thermostat. F22 is the safety switch off due to low water pressure or insufficient water in the system. Just refill the system to the correct pressure and check for leaks. F28 is the ignition fault, meaning that the boiler failed to ignite. Just check the gas supply, ignition electrodes, and ensure the condensate pipe isn't blocked. Error code F29 means there's a flame loss during operation. You'll need to inspect the gas pressure, check for drafts or blockages, and reset the boiler. F32 is a faulty fan or fan connection issue. Check the fan wiring, connections, and replace the fan if necessary. F64 shows there is an electronics or safety sensor defect. Simply inspect the PCB and sensors and replace the faulty components. F73 means that the water pressure sensor is showing low water pressure. Just refill your system, check for leaks, and ensure the sensor is functioning. F74 is the water pressure sensor showing high water pressure or the signal is too strong. You'll need to release the excess pressure, check the expansion vessel, and inspect the sensor. F75 means that there's a water pump or pressure sensor fault, or the pump isn't detecting pressure change. Check and replace the pump or pressure sensor if required. At Warmzilla, your home is our priority. If your boiler needs a repair, don't hesitate to get in touch. Our expert team is ready to help, ensuring your home stays warm and worry-free. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link below to book a boiler repair today.